and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jesenia Poissant. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we are unboxing the Virgo subscription box from Chasin Unicorns for the month of August. I know this is a little late, but I live in Japan and I get my shipment stuff a little later than other people do around the world because it's international. So I already opened it up so I know everything that's in it, but this is what it typically looks like. The tissue paper wouldn't be wrinkled because I already went into it and stuff, but they give you a little Chasin Unicorn sticker. They give you your monthly dose, which just talks about the Virgo season and what to expect during that time. Let's dive in. The first really cool item that we have here is this oil pulling that comes with this wooden spoon. Super awesome, and it has the flavor peppermint. It is organic, vegan, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free. It has no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, preservatives, or mineral oil in it, and it literally just has the two ingredients, peppermint oil and skinny coconut oil. And right now it's just hardened, but when I got it, it was actually liquefied. So if you just scoop some, swish it in your mouth, it's going to melt in your mouth. And I love oil pulling. I love that this comes in a glass container. And again, this was a heavy box. This is my second time getting a box with Chasin Unicorns, and actually I won this for free. They do a bunch of giveaways and I've won, and I'm super happy that I won, especially because I wanted to get this box, but it wasn't really in my budget for that month, so I wound up not getting it. Thank goodness I didn't get it because I won it for free. Love coconut oil. There's so many benefits for it for your oral health. Let's move on. The next thing that we got is this beautiful crystal, and it is a smoky quartz, and it's kind of like a smoky quartz point. It's so pretty. I'll put another view of it if it's hard to see through the camera. The next item that we got is this Modern Skin Alchemy Soaking Mineral Salt. It's handcrafted in small batches. It has sea salt, yarrow, which yarrow is a herb, a really good beneficial herb, and it has different essential oils in it. So you get little salt. Salt is so good. There's so many minerals in sea salt and Epsom salt and Himalayan salt, and you could put it in your bath. I love anything that goes into your bath. You get a little pamphlet with a discount, 20% off for your next purchase for oil pulling. The next fun items that we got are 2 face masks. They are fruit infused. So this one's pineapple, kiwi, ginger, and then this one is H2O activated charcoal lemon juice, and gives you a deep detox and revitalizing. And then it gives you all the ingredients, but it's cruelty free, vegan, and I love how it's cute in these little bottles. And I'll put this in my skincare fridge. When you put your beauty products in the fridge, it really helps them to last longer. The next item that we got, which is super cool, is this Vivio, which I was actually going to purchase them separate since I wasn't buying the box like later on. You get one sample, or it's not a sample, it's one purchase of it. You also get a discount code to purchase more, and this helps tell you how good your urine is. It tells you your pH, it lets you know if you're dehydrated or hydrated. It's this really cool thing, and you get like an app with it. Oops, I dropped the instructions. So I thought that was super cool because this box is curated for self-care and health and around the vibe of Virgo. I got a sticker. It did bend because I bent it on accident. It's a Chasin Unicorn vinyl sticker that you could put like on your water bottle or your notebook. I haven't put it on anything yet because I'm not sure where I want it. I don't have like a water bottle that doesn't have a design on it. Then we got a Kindred Row necklace, and we also got a discount for our next purchase here. It's a heart locket, which is so cute. It makes me connect with my inner child, and it reminds me when I was little when I had a locket, and you could put 2 pictures in there, and it has a rose in the front, which it really meant a lot to me spiritually because my grandmother Mary, I always brought her roses to the grave, so roses is our sign spiritually from her, and this has a rose on it, so I really feel like I won this box because of my grandma Mary. It's 18 inches gold plated heart necklace, and it retails at $50. $50. The necklace alone retails at $50, and you could get this box with the subscription for $35. And you can cancel at any time. Then the last item that we got is this Wild Ideas notebook. Now you can never go wrong with a notebook. It's just a regular notebook that says Wild Ideas on it. I love new notebooks. I'm always making lists. I'm always planning, and I'm impressed again by this box, this second box that I had. So if you're interested in getting a box, trying it out, I am affiliated with them. You can get 10% off with using my discount code using Yogi Jess. So use Yogi Jess at Chasin Unicorns. I love that it's curated around self-care, and it's a spiritual connection too. Obviously, it says life is better with crystals, so I'm all about it because it really helps me connect with my spirituality. You do not need products to connect with your spirituality, but I love doing it. It makes me feel more connected to myself, and it reminds me to take care of myself and take some time each day to pamper myself, and really reminds me to meditate and just really take care of my body, mind, and spirit, all three of those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll also leave the discount code down below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel to hang out with me weekly, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!